Can someone please tell me the answer to number 2, please? Yes,
I
Jack?
think it's like a 6, 7.
Oh my fucking God. This kid is so fucking annoying.
Why is no one laughing?
Because that shit just wasn't funny at all, dude.
What are you talking about, Jacob?
No one thinks you're funny, bro.
Fucking idiot. I am literally the class clown.
No, you're not, bro.
Oh, you disgust. Ah! What the fuck's wrong with you?